In the designing phase, we have to gather the requirements from the client. Based on that, we have to develop. Then after, we have to test whether the application really meeting the customer requirement or not. Then after, we have to deployment or implementation. Total how many stages?
4.
4 stages. Okay, guys. Point clear. Who will deploy? Who will deploy the application? Development team is going to deploy the application at the client place. Development team will deploy the application at the client place. Understand, Shaukat?
Okay.
Fine. Now, anyone know what is cloud computing? Ali Khan, Shaukat, any one of you? Yusuf, Mimi, Nazia.
When you use the services of another company in the cloud,
Yeah, very good, very good. What is cloud?
SAS service as a company or software as a company.
Yeah, I will explain you. Shaukat. Very good. Your answer is correct. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, I can say it is a concept, or I can say it is some technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by whom?
Cloud computing.
So, as a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Just try to understand, everyone. Very clear definition I given here. Yusuf. It is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by whom? Vendor company. Every IT service given by vendor company. As a user, if you want to use this IT service, you just need only what? Only internet connection, and we can access those services. My point is clear now. Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now Shaukat got it out. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides only 3 types of services. The first service name is called IaaS. Second service name is called PaaS. Third service name is called what? SaaS or IaaS. IaaS stands for what, Shaukat?
Infrastructure as a service.
Very good, excellent answer. Infrastructure as a what? Service. PaaS stands for?
Platform as a service.
Very good. Platform as a service. You know what is SaaS stands for?
Software as a service.
Okay, AAA stands for?
Application as a service.
Infrastructure as a service.
Application as a service. Both are same. Either software as a service or application service, both are same. So vendor company provides how many types of services? Types, Shaukat. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, or application as a service. Let me discuss about infrastructure as a service. What is infrastructure as a service? That I'll explain you here. Look at this, everyone. Services on clouds. First service, IaaS, stands for Infrastructure as a Service. Second one, PaaS, Platform as a Service. Third one is SaaS, Software as a Service. What is Infrastructure as a Service? Infrastructure as a Service means here, vendor company provides hardware as a service, is known as infrastructure as a service. Hardware as a service means what? Hardware as a service means what? That's my question here. For example, let me take a small example. You know about Google company. Everybody knows. Google company provides Google Drive that everybody knows. What is Google Drive? Tell me first.
Place to store your information.
Memory space, yes or no? In this memory space, we can store our files, audio, videos. Okay. We can load our documents, we can store our documents, etc. So this is the memory space. How much space they given for every user, for every person? How much space? 15 GB space given by Google company to all the users. So in this example, Google is a vendor company. This company provides their memory space as what? As a service. This memory space, we can call it as what? Hardware. So in this example, Google is a vendor company. They provided memory space, that is a hardware, as a service to the users. That kind of service, we can call it as infrastructure as a service. Is all of you understand this example?
Yes. Yes.
Shaukat? Shaukat?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. That is the example of what? A simple example of infrastructure as a service. Not only memory space, they will provide what is this? Networks. They will provide servers. These are all comes under what? These are all comes under what? Tell me.
Hardware.
Hardware as a service. Understand, Mimi, Nazia, everyone in the class? Hardware can be called as infrastructure. Good. What is second one here? Platform as a service. Shaukat, this is your question. Shall I ask the question, Shaukat?
Yes.
Let us assume you are the developer. You are a software developer. If you want to develop any application for any client, tell me what you need. Is my question.
You need some type of platform where you can host your application.
How to download the application first?
No, where
How
you
to
can
download?
host your applications, you need some type of platform and media.
What is my question is,
Huh?
we can post your application. When you can post your application? After developing the application only. Yes or no?
Yes.
After developing the application, then only you can post. But if you want to develop, if you want to, if you want to develop any application, what you require? I'm not talking about posting. I'm talking about if you want to develop any application for any client, okay, what do you require?
The infrastructure, like the
Okay,
network server.
without network, without operating system, okay, sir, without system, without computer and all, not possible. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. What next? What do you require? Apart from that,
Like software and
okay.
hardware.
You need
Hardware is already there. What do you require? Some.
you need a programming language.
Software.
Very good, very good. You need some programming language. Then you need some operating system. Yes or no?
Yes.
Without operating system, system cannot run.
Yeah.
And also you need some database to store the data. Tell me a simple question I'm asking here. Without programming language, without operating system, without database, can we develop any application, Shaukat?
No.
No.
Not at all possible. If you want to develop any application, whether it is a small application or whether it is a bigger application for any big company or any big organization, you need what? Minimum three things. The first one is called programming language. The second one is called operating system. And the third one is what here? Database. Without programming language, without operating system, without database, it is not possible to develop any application for any client in the market. Is all of you understand this clearly or not? So here vendor company provides programming language, operating system, database. Without programming language, without operating system, without database, okay, developer cannot develop any application. If any vendor company, okay, develops, sorry, provides all the above three, then is called, what is this? Platform as a service. Okay, guys. I hope you understand platform as a service. Okay. Is anyone know the platform name given by Salesforce? What is the platform given by Salesforce? Hello? Shaukat?
Object manager.
No. Force.com. What is it? What is the platform name?
Lightning.
Force.com.
Lightning. Oh.
Yeah. Or we can call it as what? Lightning platform. My point is clear now? Hello?
So what is the object manager?
Object manager is different. Object manager is one of the option through which you can create the object. This is the object manager. Object manager is not a platform. See, login.salesforce.com, training@infotree.com. Object manager through which we can create the object. Switch to lighting experience. If you click on, what is this? What is this? Objects and fields. Through object manager, what we can do? We can create the object. Object manager is not a platform. These are the objects. The platform name given by Salesforce is what here? Force.com. Force.com can also be called as Lightning Platform, on which developers can develop the application. Next, what is the third one?
Software as a service.
Software as a service or application as a service. What is software as a service? Software as a service. They are providing software directly as what? As a service. For example, you know about Google company. Google company developed one application. What is the application developed by Google company? What is the application developed by Google company? Anyone knows?
Gmail.
Very good. Gmail application. So we are all using this email application. Using this email application, we can send the emails and also we can receive the emails. Understand? So Google company developed this email application, and this email application, this company given as what? As a free service to all of us. Yes or no? We can happily use this application. We can easily send the mails. We can receive the mails. So in this example, vendor company Google provided this application as what? As a service to all of us. That kind of service, we can call it as what? Application as a service or software as a service. I hope all of you understand this example clearly. So like that, total how many services we discussed? 3 services. Software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So till now, we discussed about last almost 1.5 hour, 1 hour 40 minutes. We discussed about only 3 points. Only 3 points we discussed. The point number 1, what is Salesforce? Point number 2, what is what? Cloud computing. Point number 3, types of services. That is infrastructure as service, platform as service, software as service, or application service. I hope all of you understand all the 3 points clearly. Now, what is Salesforce? Tell me. Vendor company. Started at 1999. Yeah. Who is the CEO of the company?
Mark Manoff.
Mark Benioff. Good. Very good. What is cloud computing? Shaukat? Just now, 10 minutes back only we discussed about this.
Yeah, services, when another company
No.
provide you
It's a
services.
concept or it is a technology. You have to tell the answer in this proper way. It is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever, what? IT services we need, everything will provide by ah, got vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Got internet connection. Okay, how many does the services provided here?
Sorry, sir. I have two types of service.
It is
Infrastructure.
completely clear, all of you. Is it completely clear?
Yeah.
I have a question about the cloud, if you don't mind, sir.
No problem. You can go ahead. No issues.
Just like what I know, the cloud is, for example, the companies use the cloud because they don't have money to buy servers and services.
So instead of
Is that true?
maintaining their own servers, okay.
Mhm.
Instead of maintaining their own servers, instead of installing the softwares and all, so servers given by vendor company, programming languages, softwares, everything given by vendor company only. So tell me, where you can browse your internet?
I'm sorry, what?
Where you can browse your internet, browse your emails?
Yeah,
Where?
I use Gmail for my emails.
No. Suppose, in case, let us assume, in case your home does not have the internet facility, let us assume like this. Where you have to go?
If I don't have connection, I cannot use it.
You don't have connection, you cannot use it. You have to go outside or not? Suppose library you have to go. Yes or no?
Yes.
The library, can you use your internet?
No.
Why? You go to the
No,
library.
sir. I'm sorry.
Do you understand what I said?
Yeah, I can use the internet like that the library provide to me. It's not my internet.
What I'm asking is, suppose at your home,
Mm-hmm.
you don't have internet facility. Let us assume like this.
Mm-hmm.
Then what do you have to do?
I need to go outside or use the hotspot to get internet.
Okay, if you don't have hotspot also, then where you have to go? Tell me.
You can go to your school or college or university.
Nearby places
Any
where
college, you have to go to any college, yes or no? Or any university.
Mm.
Okay. So there you can get the internet facility, yes or no?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Suppose you go to your college, okay, there you can browse your emails, yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Actually, in your college, okay, there are so many systems, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And also, your college management took internet connection, yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
From whom? From ISP. What does the ISP stands for? Internet Service Provider, yes or no?
Yes.
From them, they took the internet connection, your college management. Clear?
Yes.
So your college management provided the systems. Your college management providing what?
Internet connection.
Internet facility, so that you can happily go there and use the internet service. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
In the same way, whatever services you require, everything provided by whom here?
And their companies.
Vendor companies. In this example, okay, systems provided by whom? College management. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, internet service provided by whom?
College.
The entire setup is maintained by college management. As a student, simply go there and use the services and come back. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Same way, whatever services you need, everything provided by whom here? Vendor company. Okay, if you want to use this service, what you require here? Only just internet connection, you can access the service. That's it. So that is all about what? Cloud computing. Next. How many services provided? Shaukat. 3 services. IaaS, PaaS and what? SaaS. Understand?
Yes.
Good. Infrastructure as service, platform as service, software as a service. Good. So next point, not today, next class, tomorrow Sunday, for you it is Saturday evening. What we are going to discuss is versions of Salesforce. Next, editions of Salesforce. Environments of Salesforce. So these are the 3 topics I will discuss tomorrow class. Versions, editions, and environments. Suppose take the example. Uh, 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 you know about uh, SQL Server, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, which version of SQL Server you learned? Which version?
It's SQL Server. It's,
SQL Server.
it was
Which version?
we will.
So-
I use SSMS Management Studio.
No, version. Which version of SQL Server?
It was
Suppose-
2019.
2020. Okay, 2020 version. You know. Okay.
No, it was 2019.
2019 version. Very good. So this is the version version number or not? Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Like that. You take Oracle versions like 1.0, 2.0, like that.
All right.
7.0,
Mm-hmm.
8.0. Then after, is anyone here this name? 8i, 9i, 10g, 11g. Or you heard these names? 12c, 13c. Any one of you?
I haven't.
These are all
No.
the versions. These are all the versions of what? Oracle.
Yeah,
All these versions. Yeah.
different versions
all
of
these-
Oracle.
All these versions are in which format? What? Which format? Numeric form. Numbers 10, 1.20, 1.2, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. What is this? Is this numbers or not? Like that. You take any software product. All the software products versions are in numeric format. Point clear, all of you? Tomorrow class, we will discuss about versions of Salesforce. See, Look at the screen, all of you. Go to Salesforce Classic platform. Switch to Salesforce Classic. Look at the screen, all of you. Everybody, please look at this. Please read this. What is this? This is the version you people are learning. Spring version. Every year, Salesforce releases 3 different versions based on the seasons. Spring season, winter season, summer season. Understand? So there is no separate versions for developers. There is no separate versions for administrators. Salesforce releases 3 versions based on the seasons. Understand? Actually, before versions of Salesforce, before earlier versions of Salesforce, there is no flow builder concept. Which concept? It is recently introduced in Salesforce. Like that, small differences are there between the version to version. Not bigger changes, small changes, small variations. Okay. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about versions of Salesforce, editions, and environments. These are the 3 topics I'm going to cover